just go, go, go. He said let's go catch a flight. We bout to stay up all night.